Welcome back to Raching Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive reviews, modifications, and upgrades. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Ford EcoSport, a modern marvel that has been completely transformed with high-end modifications, combining urban sophistication with off-road strength. The first thing that grabs your attention is the aggressive new body kit, featuring a redesigned front bumper with sharp contours, larger air intakes, and a sleek blacked-out honeycomb grille that replaces the standard one. The LED matrix headlights are slimmer, adaptive, and come with dynamic indicators, giving the front profile a premium, futuristic edge. The hood has been subtly reshaped with dual air vents, enhancing both aesthetics and engine cooling. On the sides, the modified EcoSport now rides on stunning 18-inch dual-tone alloy wheels wrapped in Pirelli Scorpion all-terrain tires, boosting both stance and off-road capability. The widened wheel arches are clad with matte black overfenders, and custom side skirts give the SUV a lower, sportier feel. Gloss black ORVMs with integrated blind spot cameras add a touch of smart functionality. The rear showcases a full-width LED taillight strip and a roof-mounted spoiler that's both functional and stylish. A carbon fiber finish rear diffuser houses twin chrome exhaust tips, which are connected to a performance-tuned catback exhaust system, giving the 2026 EcoSport a deep, throaty growl. The tailgate-mounted spare wheel has been removed for a cleaner, more urban look. Under the hood, the standard 1.5L Dragon petrol engine has been upgraded with a Stage 2 turbocharger kit, a high-flow air intake system, and a remapped EQ, pushing the power figures to nearly 160 horsepower. This is paired with a reworked 7-speed dual-clutch transmission for quicker shifts and better fuel efficiency. Suspension upgrades include Bilstein adjustable COI levers and larger disc brakes on all four wheels for enhanced handling and stopping power. Inside, the cabin is transformed with Alcantara-wrapped sport seats, ambient LED lighting, and a 10.5-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A custom JBL sound system, carbon fiber inserts, and a flat-bottom steering wheel complete the sporty, tech-rich interior. That wraps up our full breakdown of the modern modified 2026 Ford EcoSport, a compact SUV that now delivers both style and performance in one aggressive package. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Raching Cars for more in-depth reviews and stunning car transformations. See you in the next ride.